everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sandy and I do a lot of unboxings and a lot of other stuff. Just quite haven't figured it out yet. And for those of you that are joining me again, thank you for being here. And while you're at it, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell while you're there so you're notified of all my videos that I put out. So today we are unboxing our March 2019 beauty box by Allure. For those of you that are not familiar with Allure beauty box, it is $15 a month subscription. The first month is $10 if you click on the link down below in the description box, and you also will receive 2 free gifts when you sign up. And just a little sneak peek for April, I believe, April, Allure is teaming up and collaborating with Carly Bible, I think her name is. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not too familiar with Carly. Please don't torture me down below in the comment section about why don't I know who she is. Maybe because she's very young and I just can't relate. No, I know a little bit about her. I just don't follow her as much as maybe a lot of you do, but I don't. But they will be collaborating for April. So just again, Allure beauty box, March 2019. And I have not looked at any spoilers, and ladies, I have not looked at your videos for those of you that have already done your boxing, but I will check them out as soon as I finish mine. So let's go ahead and dig in. So this is the way the box, it used to come in a red box, but you know, now they come in these white boxes. So this is the first thing that you see when you open up your box. At least this is the first thing I see in mine. And it does come with a little pamphlet, a little booklet, and it tells you inside what each thing is that we received. So let's go ahead. Oh, and it says refer a friend and get a wee sample trio valued at $14. So I will link all that information down below. So this month we got, oh man, you know, I did really well with my red bag. I did really well with that black one. But lo and behold, I got this pretty white one. And guess what? It's ripped. I don't know why they keep doing this. It's not only ripped on this side, but it's also cracked over here. If you can see that, it looks like somebody sliced through it. Anyway, so I guess I won't be giving this away to anybody or letting anybody use it. Pretty damaged. Smells really plasticky. So this is the white bag. I did like the smoke colored one, and I did like the, was it orangey or red? Anyway, but like I said, I like Allure's boxes. I just think that maybe they should change up on these bags because they always come ripped. I know a lot of other people said the same thing with their items. I don't know if it gets cold because it's cold out there right now, and in the process they get really cold and then they crack. That might be one reason. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section if you got one of these bags and if yours came damaged. So let's dig right in. So right off the bat, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sample sizes. Those are really cute bags. Look at that. Little clutch. But anyways, garbaje. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Derma E Essentials Micro Dermabrasion Scrub. That's what that is right there. And this says, what does it retail for? So the Derma Scrub or Microdermabrasion Scrub is $32.50 for the full size. Oh, it does smell good though. It has like a citrusy smell, so that's the inside. Oh, my lights are a little bright today. So that's it. It does oh, you can feel the scrubbers. But it has like a citrusy smell, like a lemony smell. It does smell good though. I like the way that smells, and I think I would use that. And it says, this scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skin care steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizes, and it delivers My skin texture is better and my cheekbones look downright glinty, says Brennan Kilbane, senior writer. And $32.50 for the large size. So let's grab another one. This is the Biosense Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. Brightens and visibly firms. I think we got something like this before. Let's see what this retails for. This retails for, this vitamin C rose oil retails for $72 for the full size bottle. Wow, look at that little tiny thing. So this little tiny thing is in there, and like I said, the full size is $72. Does it smell like rose? No, it doesn't smell. It doesn't have a smell at all, so you don't smell roses. It says the marquee ingredients hydrate and brighten so well that after I tried this oil, there was no going back. I pressed it on after moisturizer, which makes my skin dewier, not oily. And that's the digital skin editor Sarah. So the full size bottle of this is $72. So it's nice to have a little sample size, because I don't know if I would buy the big one. So the next item is Rose Water Toner by Mamode. We've got this before in a different box. Mamodi, whatever. Which is this Rose Water Toner. We have another one somewhere. I think it's out here, up here somewhere. And this water toner, I won't read everything that it says, but this is a long paragraph. But this is $23 for a full size bottle, and you buy it at their website, which is mamonde.com. So that's good. It's sealed, or I would open it for you. No, it's not sealed. Oh, I will open it. It's not sealed. This does smell like roses. So for those of you that don't like rose smells, it does have the rose bouquet smell. So that's there. What is this for? Oh, the toner. That's the Rose Water Toner. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So it looks like everything is skincare. And this is called Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. Oh, my lights are like super bright today. That's that. And this retails for, what does this retail for? This retails for $48. It don't even feel like it's got anything in there. Oh. No, I don't. This doesn't have a smell either. I guess it's supposed to be super thick. Kind of reminds me of Vaseline. No, it does have a smell to it. I can't describe the smell, but it smells like, I don't know. I can't describe it. It does a slight scent to it. And we usually find it in a lot of the products that we've been getting lately for the skincare. This is a cruelty-free item. Like I said, the full size is $48, and it comes in, it looks like it comes in, what is that little pot thingy? A little, whatever it is. Okay, so the next thing is Allure. Welcome to Skin Wellness. Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So this is blue tansy and rose, normal to sensitive skin, and it's 100% vegan. And this retails for, is this the, you know, when you pull it out of the box, there's nothing on here. So it just looks like blue water. But what does that retail for? The 1 ounce retails for $12.99. And oh, is this like oh, it is. It's one of those roll-ons. What is this supposed to do? There are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. This person uses it after my retinol at night or dry spots before makeup. This, I don't know, I can't describe what this smells like, but the 1 ounce is $12.99, which is reasonable. It reminds me of a candy. It has like a candy scent to it. So that's, and this is 0.3 ounces, so this is like what, a couple dollars, $4, something like that. This is what this would be worth, $4. it smells good. I mean, it don't smell too overpowering. You don't smell the roses. It has rose in it, right? Yeah, you don't smell the rose in there. And then the next item is the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster Fortifying Daily Booster. That's the box. And then this is the little container. And the retail value for this one, full size retail value, is $29.50. I think we get these a lot. I don't have one open somewhere. No, and I can't open it to let you know what it smells like. But this is, we've gotten these a few times, these Vichy things. So that's a serum, skin softening serum. And then the last but not least, what is this? Cream multi-stick. Clean Beauty Revolution. The Clean Beauty Revolution is our movement striving to eliminate toxic ingredients from the cosmetic industry. Our products are evidence that clean beauty is both feasible and fabulous. And that's this. Au Natural. The Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. What is this retail value for? Is that, what is this? Who is this by? Au Natural Cosmetics. Oh, so that's this here. So that's a full-size product, and this is $35. So this pretty much paid for your box plus some change. It says, when I blended this golden peachy cream blush into my cheeks, it gave me my complexion a subtle warmth and color that looked like it could be my own. It's a magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush. Yeah, I don't know who that was running around the playground anymore. Not me. Even when you're staring at a computer all day. Okay. The fresh effect works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks and across the bridge of your nose and blend it with your fingers. Their warmth diffuses it perfectly, and it doesn't hurt the formula. It doesn't hurt that the formula is organic and cruelty free. And that was the executive beauty editor that gave us that lovely rendition of this is the stick. There's a lot of product in there. I don't want to go any higher because knowing me, I'll bust it. So let's swatch it. Oh, it is. Okay. It's real pinky. There's a swatch there. So it is pink. And let's see. Oh, maybe it'll look like I was running around the playground. There, I've diffused it out. It's still there. Right here somewhere, I think. I don't know if you can see it anymore. It did blend into my skin, but it did make it rosy pink. And that's what I got in my box. There's a few more items listed in here. So I didn't get the Biosense Peptide Eye Gel. That was another variation you can get. And what else? I didn't get the Amika Velveteen Dream Soothing Balm, which was this one here. I didn't get that. And I didn't get the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Balm, which I really love. I have that. So that was it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What did you get if you got the Allure box this month? And also let me know if your box came damaged. I mean, your bag came damaged. I mean, this is our third bag, and 2 out of 3 bags came out perfect. This one is damaged. I wonder if they're going to replace this. Let me know in the comment section down below if yours was busted and if they replaced your bag at all. So that's it. Thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. I have a few more videos to record. So I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you every day. So I will see you on the next one. Hasta Laterz.